Yeah. It's almost 10:30 at night, but I'm making another portion of this video because I think it's important to get it to you. So whenever I have an idea, a thought or something, I whip out my camera and I make another video. And that's what I'm doing here. As you saw in the clip, Terry has a few questions as to, she's going to be going out of her comfort zone just a little bit when she starts making these videos, because certain things are going to be new to her. Same with you. When you make your videos, maybe you haven't really uploaded very many videos because you're not sure if the lighting's just right, or how you look on camera, or you're a little camera shy, or you want to lose a few pounds first. Whatever the question is, don't put it off anymore. You may have a whole list of things. Well, I need to make sure I do this first, and you have 10 things on a list, and until all those things get done exactly right, until you figure out how you need to do your editing and how you're going to have to get this particular type of camera and all these different other things, it's going to prevent you from making videos. You just need to get in there and get going. The stars are never going to align just right. When is a perfect time to start making videos? Right now. There is no perfect world. We don't live in a perfect world, do we? You're not going to have everything all figured out before you make your first video. You just have to get in there and get your feet wet. And that's what I did. I didn't really have a plan on what was going on and what I was going to do with my videos and all that kind of stuff, how I was going to be a YouTube partner, what that was all entailing. I just started out from scratch, make some videos, make something that I felt I had an interest in, that I could teach someone or show someone something that might be of interest to them. Now, if you are camera shy or something, if you've looked at some of my videos, and I've got over 1976 videos right now, I think. Most of them, I don't just sit here and talk to the camera like this. Okay? I'm usually behind the camera talking, or I'm showing something with my hands, or I'm just doing something and the camera's looking over my shoulder. So you don't have to sit and look at the camera the whole time and think, okay, I've got 8 different things on a piece of paper I want to talk about. How am I going to do this? And you get all nervous and stuff. Like right now, I don't have anything written down. I'm just talking. Okay, things that I think that could be important for you to get up off the couch, so to speak, and start making those videos. You're gonna not really know what you're doing at first, but once you get your feet wet and you get in there, you're going to start learning from your mistakes. You're going to see what types of comments people have, or what else you should show, or a better system on how you're trying to present things. There's going to be all different kinds of things, and you'll weather them one at a time. And you know what I tell people? When I look in the camera, don't imagine that you have 100 people there or 1,000 people there looking back at you. Just look at the camera like you're talking to your best friend. I'm talking to my best friend right now. I'm not talking to anybody else. I'm talking to him when I'm looking at that camera. Okay? And don't worry about it. Just be yourself. Some people are going to like you. Some people are not going to like you. Not everybody on YouTube's going to like you. Hello? I got lots of people who don't like me. Some of them like to hate me, I think. I don't know. But I can't let that discourage me from continuing to make videos. And that's another thing. You just have to keep in it and not worry about the naysayers or your friends saying, oh, how come you're doing that? You didn't get very many views the other day. Why don't you just get a normal job? Or how come you're wasting your time putting all those videos up on YouTube? You're not going to make any money with that. Don't listen to any of those people. If you have a vision in your mind, and if you are passionate about something, or you are just the best at whatever it is that you do, that you play games the best, that you play the guitar the best, that you sing the best, that you do computer stuff the best, that you know how to work your cell phone the best, anything, whatever it is, that you can fish the best, that you play volleyball the best, soccer the best, whatever it is, you can show that to the world, and you have a possibility of making money with those videos. All you've got to do, the number one step that a ton of people don't do, is they don't put it on video and put it on their channel. Okay? You can do it. I know you can. I'm just an average Joe. I'm nothing special. Okay? If you've never seen me on anywhere else other than these YouTube videos that you just happen to stumble upon these how-to things on whatever I'm showing, you don't know who I am from Adam. I'm not on TV. I'm not a newscaster. I'm not on the radio. I'm not, you know, a movie star or anything like that. I just consistently make videos, upload them onto my channel. I get views with those, and a certain portion of them click on the ads, and I make some money. The more videos I put up, the more chances I get of people clicking on there, subscribing to me, telling their friends about me, whatever it is. I have a chance of doing something with investing my time. This time I'm investing in myself. I'm not going to work for somebody else and invest all my time and efforts and energy for them so that they can start making more money. And then the only time I make money is when I'm working for him for 8 hours a day. Nothing doing. I'm not going to do that anymore. So I'm up to the point now where I don't have to work for anybody else because I'm doing videos and I'm doing other things on the side. Okay? But I want to make all of my money with videos showing people how to do things, and this is one of the things I want to show people, is how they can make money with their videos too. That's really important to me. I want to make a difference, and this is how I think I can make a difference in people's lives, to show them that if I can make videos and I can make money on YouTube, they can too. And I'm talking to you here. Okay? So stick around and keep watching my videos. You'll learn more things to make you successful on YouTube. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.